Amboseli National Park is known for magical sightings of African elephants at the foot of Mount Kilimanjaro. It is home to large herds of over 900 free-ranging elephants. Elephants are not the usual diet for lions. However, a baby elephant separated from his mother is an easy target. Amboga and Lonquito, two young dominant males, are feasting on the poor baby who is still alive. Pierre, a big male elephant, comes to the scene to see what is happening. The 2-year-old baby elephant doesn't belong to his family, but he won't stay without doing anything. Elephants despise lions. Some can even attack these predators. Today it is too late. Nothing can be done for this little elephant. Elephants are one of the rare mammals that are affected by the death of one of their kind. There is no doubt that Pierre is sad for the loss of the baby elephant, even though they are not related. The trumpeting of the victim alerted an elephant family that was passing by. In the herd there is Yona, an experienced matriarch surrounded by several babies. The mothers are tasting the air with their trunks to gather information about the sad event. The herd pretends to charge so that the lions can leave the kill.